Here's how to draw Jumbo Josh from Garten of Banban. Draw a kind of football shape head. And curve it around. Next, we're going to come up here and draw an eye. Then draw the pupil. Then space it out a ways, about 2 eye widths apart. We're going to draw the other eye over here. So his eyes are spaced a little bit far apart. Normally characters have about 1 eye space in between the eyes, but he has about 2. Then we draw the pupil. Okay, now we're going to give him his goofy smile. And we're going to draw some teeth in here. Just U shapes all across the mouth. And the teeth don't have to be exactly the same size. Cool thing about monsters is they can have differently shaped teeth. We'll come down on the bottom and draw same thing. But I'll try to keep the teeth about the same size. But they don't have to be perfect. But typically I'll make the teeth in the middle a little bit bigger, and then the teeth on the ends will be smaller. Next, we're going to draw a big arm. Hooks down, comes up, then draw a line coming down. And it goes all the way down to the ground. Then he has a tiny little foot compared to his arm. Comes up, and a tiny little leg, so the waist will start here. Curve, come down, tiny little foot, come up, and come back up to the body. Next, we're going to draw the other arm, so the face curves down to the shoulder, and a big arm. Then we gotta draw a little line here for the thumb. Come over to this side. We're gonna draw another line that hooks in to the hand for the thumb. And that's how you draw Jumbo Josh from Garten of Banban. Be sure to check out the other Garten of Banban drawings on the channel. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.